What if you could stop exchanging your time for money without compromising who you are or sacrificing your joy, your peace, your purpose, and finally create a life with more freedom, more financial independence, and doing more of what you love? What would it look like for you? More quality time with family, friends, traveling the world, finally launching that project or business because now it could actually support your life? Wouldn't that be something? To live your life on your own terms, to feel freedom, not just in theory, but really in your everyday life. But let's get real though. For most people, that kind of life feels so far out of reach, not because they aren't working hard, but because so many are still stuck inside of outdated systems, structures that were built for a world that no longer exists, systems rooted in control, conformity, and scarcity. And although we've evolved in consciousness, many of our institutions have not. People are tired. Some are stuck in jobs that drain them. Others are juggling side hustles, catching their breath between commitments. And even those earning well often find themselves in toxic work cultures, constantly pushed to do more. And entrepreneurs are under growing pressure as well, keeping cash flow going, chasing the next launch, the next contract, the next win. And to make things even harder, so many are carrying the quiet weight of financial debt, taken just to get where they are. Yeah, it's a lot. But maybe deep down, you still hear the whisper telling you, reminding you there must be another way. A way to both earn well and live well, to reclaim your time, to build income you can invest forward for your future, your family, and the generations to come. And I'm here to tell you it is possible. No matter your profession, no matter what season of life you're in, there is a way to move beyond survival and to live a life filled with joy, alignment, and ease. And that's why I'm sharing this video with you. You see, I've lived on both sides of the story. I was raised in a middle class family. My parents came from humble beginnings. My father became an entrepreneur, and my mom, a dedicated teacher. And together they nurtured our natural talents and created a home where faith was a lived experience. But then came the revolution. We were forced to flee. They lost everything, rebuilt, lost again, twice during global financial crises. And eventually, their marriage did not survive the strain, but their legacy did. They passed on to us grit, resilience, faith, and a deep knowing. And this one came especially from my visionary father, that a world where we can all thrive isn't just a dream. It is possible and it is within your reach. That became my operating system. But as I stepped into the workforce, I saw the dysfunction up close. Long hours, outdated organizational cultures, profit prioritized over people, purpose, and planet. And a voice inside of me kept whispering louder and louder, Ilonka, what are you still doing here? And eventually I listened. And that question changed everything. It led me on my own entrepreneurial path, first part time, then full, until I fully stepped into my own truth. And today I'm the best selling author of Quantum Rebel, and I guide visionary entrepreneurs in building what I call sacred wealth, wealth that flows through you, lifting your life, your family, and the world around you. So now you know a little more about what moves me. But maybe you're thinking, all right, Ilonka, your story sounds inspiring, but I'm not trying to build a visionary movement. I just want more freedom. I want more financial independence. And I need it to be simple, real, something that I can really stand behind. And to that, I say yes. You don't have to be a visionary leader like myself to live a life of freedom. But it is essential to recognize when you've come across a visionary ecosystem, what I call a quantum empire. An elevated structure intentionally designed not just to uplift its founders and a select few at the top, but to elevate everyone it touches. Because when you recognize such a structure, you realize you don't have to build it all from scratch. You can align with something already rooted in abundance and forward vision, built by a visionary who has walked the path and is now inviting others in. And that's exactly what happened for me when I first came across the Trevorium Travel Club. My heart immediately said yes, but my rational mind hesitated just a little. And only because at the time, my husband Ernie and I were still paying off significant debt we had taken on in order to bring our bigger visions to life. So, although I said yes, I also did my due diligence because I never like sharing anything with my community unless I know it's real. So I observed, listened, talked to different leaders and partners, and this is what I discovered. Trevorium was built by a visionary founder who created a structure rooted in abundance. A company that flipped the script in the travel industry, offering 4 and 5 star luxury travel experiences at wholesale prices and often even below. But what truly sets them apart? They build a path to financial independence that is simple, elegant, and real. No burnout, no inventory, no hype, just honest sharing. And partner compensation is early in the journey, not years down the line. So for me, it was a strong yes, and I've never looked back ever since. And now it's my turn to invite you. Don't just take my word for it. Just join me for a live Zoom presentation so you can feel into it for yourself. And you'll know best if it's aligned for you as it was for me. No pressure, no sales tactics, just real options shared from lived experience. So if any of this resonated, just send me a message on WhatsApp, Telegram, or by text. The information is below. And say something personal like, hey, Lanka, I just saw your VIP travel video and I love to learn more. And I'll reply personally with some upcoming session options. And alternatively, if you have like 3 or more friends, family, or colleagues who you think may be interested also, we can create a relaxed private session just for your group. Let me leave you with this. This Trevorium Travel Club opportunity isn't just about travel. Although the luxury travel experiences are truly incredible, it's about designing a life where freedom isn't this far off dream anymore. It's real, it's tangible, and it's within your reach. All it takes is that one aligned yes to get started. I look forward to seeing you on the journey, on the beach, in the mountains, maybe sipping coconut water somewhere unexpected, but always on the path to a life you truly love.